Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 30, Nuclei or Nuclear Physics. Let's move to question number 1. The half-life of a radioactive sample undergoing alpha decay is 2 into 10 power 17 second. If the number of nuclei in the sample is 2.0 into 10 power 21, the activity of the sample is dash. Formula for activity is activity equal to lambda into N. And here lambda is a decay constant that is given how much? That is 2 into 10 power 21. And N is given, yes, N is given 2 into 10 power 17 second. Then substitute this here. Activity equal to lambda into N equal to lambda is 0.693. That is T equal to 0.693 by lambda. From that lambda equal to 0.693 by T. Okay. Then substitute this here. You will get activity equal to lambda is 0.693 divided by T. What's the value of T? 2 into 10 power 17. 2 into 10 power 17 into N. Number of nuclei is 2 into 10 power 21. 2 into 10 power 21. Then this 2 getting cancelled. 2 getting cancelled. Simplify this. Activity equal to 0.693 into 10 power 21. 10 power 17 comes up, 10 power minus 17. So on simplifying, 10 power 4. 0.693 into 10 power 4 is approximately 1 into 10 power 4. Unit BQ, that is becquerel. So which option? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 2. What happens to the mass number and number of an element when it emits gamma radiation? That is, gamma radiation means there is no change in the atomic number and there is no change in the mass number. So that is mass number and atomic number remain unchanged. Option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. Alpha particle consists of dash. What is alpha particle? Alpha particle is nothing but helium nuclei. That is He24. That is a helium nuclei. Not helium atom, helium nuclei is a alpha particle. It means number of protons, that is Z equal to 2. And number of protons plus neutron, that is A equal to 4. Then neutron number equal to A minus Z equal to 4 minus 2, 2. So this is the thing. Proton number is 2 and neutron number is 2. Sum of proton neutron, that is nucleon, is 4. So which option? Yes, option D is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 4. If radius of the aluminum Al1327 nucleus is taken to be RAL, then the radius of the Al1327 nucleus is taken to be RAL, then the radius of tellurium Te53125 nucleus is really dash. That is RAL equal to formula AL equal to R naught into A. What is the value of A for aluminum? 27. 27 power 1 by 3. Okay. And or tellurium equal to same R naught into is A value 125. 125 whole power 1 by 3. Then what you want to find? You want to find the radius of the tellurium nucleus in terms of radius of aluminum. So this by this, or tellurium divided by R aluminum. Okay, that is equal to R naught getting cancelled. Then 125 divided by 27 whole power 1 by 3. Cube root of 125 is 5. Cube root of 27 is 3. So R tellurium by R AL equal to 2 by 3. Then R tellurium equal to 5 by 3 into R aluminum. 5 by 3 R aluminum. So which option? Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 5. If the nucleus Al1327 has a nuclear radius of about 3.6 Fermi, then tellurium 52125 would have its radius approximately dash. Formula R equal to R naught into same formula A power 1 by 3. Then you want to find the radius of the tellurium, that is R tellurium by R aluminum equal to R naught getting cancelled. Then mass number of tellurium is 125. 125 by Aluminum is 27. Whole power 1 by 3. Cube root of 1 by 3 is how much? 5. Cube root of 27 is 3. Then or tellurium equal to 5 by 3 into or aluminum. Or aluminum is given how much? Or aluminum is given 3.6 for me. Substitute this here. Then into 3.6. Simplify this. That is 3, 1.2. Okay. Then simplify this. You will get 6.0. 6.0 for me. So which option? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. The volume occupied by an atom is greater than the volume of the nucleus by a factor about. Actually, what is the volume? Volume is volume of an atom or volume of a nucleus. Assumed to be a shaped sphere. There was a formula. Volume V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We'll keep r cube. For atom, volume of the atom will keep as V1 or 1. And volume of nucleus V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi or 2 cube. And atom radius will be in terms of angstrom. 1 angstrom equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. And same way, radius of the nucleus, that will be Fermi. 1 Fermi equal to 10 power minus 15 meter. Substitute this here. You want to find volume of atom is greater. So V1 by V2. V1 by V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi getting cancelled. Then 10 power minus 15 divided by, no, first R1 is 10 power minus 10, no, yes. 10 power minus 10. 10 power minus 10 divided by 10 power minus 15 whole power 3. If you simplify this, 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 15, you will get 10 power 5. Okay, 10 power 5 here. 10 power minus 5 here. If it comes up, 10 power plus 5. So V1 by V2 equal to 10 power plus 5 whole power 3 is 10 power 15. Okay, that is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Let's move to last question. A nucleus XNM emits one alpha particle and two beta particles. Resulting nucleus will be dash. That is XNM. XNM emits one alpha particle. What is the alpha particle? Alpha particle is nothing but helium nuclei. Hc2,4. So during alpha decay or alpha emission, that is some other element with that one, its atomic number is decreased by 2 and mass number is, that is as per this, n is the atomic number, no? Yes, we'll change it as per this. Its atomic number n is decreased by 2 and mass number is decreased by 4. Okay, m minus 4. Then again, this yn minus 2 emits 2 beta particle. Then gives 2 beta particle, 2e minus 1, 0 plus. Then what this will be? Consider that as a Z. Z, its mass number is, atomic number is increased by 1, 2 electrons, so 2. Therefore, you will get this as just n. This will be m minus 4. Okay. So x for that n is the atomic number, proton number. Z also same n. Therefore, we can write Z as x. That is Z n m gives, after 1 alpha particle and 2 beta particle, it gives x n m minus 4. So which option? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, students. In next session, we will see the problem solving session in next chapter. Thank you.